to better individuals. Respected directors, sir, principals, sir, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Vijay of Grade 6 Sapphire, anchoring today's assembly. As a symbol of our national pride, let us stand straight and sing Vande Mataram.
Sasyashyamalam Mataram Vande Mataram Shukra Josna Pulakitayamini Pulla Kusumita Drumadala Shobhini Suhasini Sumadura Bhashini Sukhadam Varadam Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram.
School pledge promote unity, loyalty, and commitment of our nation. Now I'd like to invite Abhishek brother to lead us in the pledge.
Abhishek commands to pledge. Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of history and heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all adults respect and treat everyone with courtesy. Am I country? Am I people? I pledge my devotion. India will be prosperity. Along lines, my happiness. Jai Hind.
Thought will fresh up our A meaningful thought will fresh up our minds, give positive energy to do better things in the full day. Now I'd like to invite Yamashavardhan brother to share today's thought.
Happy morning everyone, my name is Yamashavardhan from Grade 6 Sapphire. Today's thought, the light in your heart can brighten darkest path. I repeat again, the light in your heart can darkest path. Thank you.
Thank you Harshavardhan brother. Learning a new word can improve our vocabulary. Now I'd like to invite Lohit brother to tell a new word.
Happy morning to all, my name is Tilay. Today word is brought to you by Tilay from Grade 6 Sapphire. Word, vibrate, full of energy. Friends, please spell after me. Vibrate. V-I-R-B-A-N-T. Vibrant. Full of energy. Thank you.
For getting global awareness and for updating us with reading news, now I'd like to invite Yamarti Harshavardhan brother and Abhishek brother to read today's news.
Happy morning everyone, my name is D. Harshavardhan from Grade 6 Sapphire, brought you international and national news. International news. US judge allows Trump's rule asking illegal immigrants to register with government. Hudson River helicopter with crash victims every day. National news. India's natural gas consumption to rise 60% by 2030. 60% by 2030 to rise. Good to go scenario. Thank you.
State news and sport news brought to you by Abhishek of Grade 6 Sapphire. State news. Second Saturday is two working day in schools for summative exams. Sport news. Cricket. Mahendra Singh Dhoni will lead Chennai Super Kings for remaining IPL match. The great IPL match 2025 yesterday, CSK versus KKR. KKR won by 6 runs, 59 balls left. Thank you.
Now I'd like to invite Vishnu for sharing some amazing facts about human body.
Happy morning to all. I am Vishnu from Grade 6 Sapphire. Now I am going to tell some amazing facts about the human body. Fact number 1. A sneeze can travel up to 99 miles per hour. Fact number 2. The human body is made up of 0.2 milligram of bone. Fact number 3. Our nose can remember 50,000 different smells. Fact number 4. Babies are born without kneecaps. Fact number 5. The average human beings swallow 1 liter of saliva in a day. Thank you. Have a good day.
Friends, do you know about collective nouns? Collective noun is a word that refers to a group of people, animals and things. Now I'd like to invite Joshit brother to tell some collective nouns on animals.
Happy morning everyone, my name is Joshit, I am from grade 6 Sapphire. Today I am going to tell some collective nouns. Can anyone tell me what is a group of lions? A group of lions is called a pride. A group of crows is called a madral. A group of owls is called a parliament. A group of kangaroos is called a mob. A group of rhinos is called crows. I hope you all understood. I hope you all learned these collective nouns of animals. Thank you.
Thank you, Joshit brother. Now I'd like to invite Ramcharan brother to share some abbreviations and expansions.
Happy morning everyone, my name is K. Ramcharan of grade 6 7. Today I am telling about abbreviations and expansions. JEE, Joint Entrance Examination, MBBS, Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor of Surgery. CBSE, Central Board of Secondary Education. NCERT, National Council of Educational Research and Training. SCERT, State Council of Educational Research and Training. ICSC, Indian Certificate of Secondary Education. Thank you.
Thank you, Ramcharan brother. Now I'd like to invite Sandeep brother to deliver a speech on good manner.
Happy morning everyone, I am Sandeep of grade 6 Sapphire. Today I want to tell something very important that we should practice in our daily life. Good manners. Good manners are the behavior that shows respect and kindness for others. So what are some examples of good manners? Saying please and thank you. These two simple words can go a long way showing respect and appreciation for others. Respecting elders. We should respect our elders whether it is our parents, teachers or grandparents. Being kind to others. We should always try to be kind to others whether it is our friends or families. Respecting others' space. We should respect others' person's space and not interact them when they are talking or doing something. Benefits of good manners are making a good improvements of others, building strong relationship, showing respect and kindness, feeling confident and proud of ourselves. In conclusion, good manners are the essential part of our lives. Thank you.
Thank you, Sandeep. Your words are really inspiring us. Now I'd like to invite Harini Reddy for asking some GK questions about Indian history.
Happy morning everyone, myself Harini, I am from grade 6 Sapphire. Here are the some GK questions about Indian freedom fighters. Question for grade 6. Who was constituted the father of the nation?
Father of the nation.
I repeat my question. Who was the father of the nation in India? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer, and the answer is Mahatma Gandhi.
Same. Next.
Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 7. Who led Indian National Army INA during World War II? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 8. Who was the first Indian to become a member of British Parliament? I repeat my question. Who was the first member to become a British Parliament?
They're not telling us the answer.
Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer, and the answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. Sorry. Dadabhai Naroji.
Thank you.
Question for grade 9. Who founded the Indian National Congress?
Repeat. They're not knowing. Move forward. They're not replying.
Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer, and the answer is A.O. Hum. Thank you.
Thank you, Harini, for checking our general knowledge. Friends, we all know now we are end of academic year 2024 to 2025. We learned so many new things in this year. Now I'd like to invite Manoj brother to deliver a speech on our experience in school.
Happy morning everyone. I am K. Manoj Kumar of grade 6 Sapphire. Today I am here to say end of this academic year. As we stand here, end of this academic year, we started this year with new hopes, new dreams, new challenges. As we learn new things, we have learned so much. We have grown up. We have got new opportunities. We have learned friendship that will motivate us, that will inspire and motivate us. Thank you and congratulations for completing another successful academic year. Thank you.
Thank you, Manoj brother, for your motivational speech. Now I'd like to invite Kartika to share a speech, to deliver a speech on shapes in mathematics.
Happy morning everyone. I am Kartika of grade 6 Sapphire. Today I am going to say about shape. Something we see every day everywhere. Have you ever noticed that shapes are all around us? Look at a pizza. It is circle. Book and notebook. They are rectangle. Traffic signs are like triangle. Shapes help us to understand and organize things we see in the world. Builders use shapes to make strong buildings. Artists use shapes to make beautiful pictures. So next time you look around, try to notice all the different shapes around you. Thank you.